Hello students, myself Dr. Priyanka Uppal, Assistant Professor, School of Education, RIMT University, Mandi Gobindgarh. Today the topic of my presentation is lesson plan in teaching of social studies. So first of all we will discuss what is lesson plan. The word lesson plan is combination of two words, lesson and plan. Thus lesson plan means preparing and planning for the lesson. Lesson plan is what topic the teacher has to teach in the class, for how much the time he is teaching, with which method he is going to teach, what teaching learning material will be used for teaching. Teacher prepares a lesson plan by keeping in mind the nature of the topic, mental level of the students and objectives of the lesson. So, more clarification of the topic, we can take a definition also. According to Bhatia and Bhatia, lesson plans tells us what the students have learned, in which direction they should be guided further, and what should be taught at the moment. After clarifying the concept of lesson plan, now we will discuss the steps of lesson plan. The first step of lesson plan is pupil teacher's roll number, class, time duration, subject and topic. The second one is teaching material. Third objective is objectives. Fourth one is testing of previous knowledge. Fifth one is announcement of the topic. Sixth one is presentation. Seventh one is subject matter. Eighth one is recapitulation. Ninth and the last one is homework. I will explain each and every step of lesson plan in detail with some examples also. We will take first step of lesson plan, that is pupil teacher's roll number, class, time, subject and topic. Pupil teacher's roll number, class, time duration, subject and topic etc. must be written in the lesson plan. Generally, this description is given at the beginning or at the top of the lesson plan. Here is example of first step of lesson plan. For example, pupil teacher's roll number, it can be anything like 101, class 7th. You can take any class, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th. Time duration 35 minutes. Date, today's date, we can take today's date like 13/8/2021. Subject is social studies and the topic of teaching is contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion. So here is the first step I have completed. Second step of lesson plan is teaching material. Lesson plan also includes the description of teaching learning material. It is often given under two headings, general aids and specific aids. General aids, for example, general aids can be chalkboard, chalk, duster and pointer, and specific aid can be chart, model, flashcard related to the topic. The special aid can vary from topic to topic. The third step of lesson plan is objectives. After the description of teaching aid or teaching material, the objectives of the lesson plan are written. These are also given under two headings, which are general objectives and specific objectives. First of all, we will discuss general objectives of lesson plan. General objectives are related to all-round development of the child. For example, the first one is to create interest among the student in the subject of social studies. Second one is to develop the power of imagination in the students. Third one is to enable the student to express their views effectively. Fourth one can be to increase their general knowledge. These are the general objectives of lesson plan. Now we will discuss specific objectives of a lesson plan. Specific objectives are related to the subject and topic. For example, student will be provided the knowledge about the contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion. So, जो subject specific objectives are always related to the topic. Fourth and the most important step of lesson plan is testing of previous knowledge. Previous knowledge of the student must be assessed before teaching. Lesson plan should include the questions which will be asked to check the previous knowledge of the students. Today we are taking the example of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji's contribution of Sikh religion. So the PT can ask the questions like, first one is how many religions are followed in India, and the student will give answer: Sikh religion, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Jainism and Buddhism. Second one is which religion is prominent in Punjab? The answer will be Sikh religion. Third one can be who was the first Guru of Sikh religion ya Sikhs? The answer will be Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Fourth one is who was the second Guru of Sikh religion? The answer will be Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji. After completing the PK testing of the student, the next step is, and the fifth step is, announcement of the topic. Lesson plan clearly describes when, how and at which step the teacher will announce the topic in the class. For example, after getting the satisfactory or unsatisfactory answer to his or her questions, the PT, the pupil teacher, will announce and introduce her topic. Well students, today we shall study about the life, achievements and contribution of second Sikh Guru, Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion. After that, sixth step of lesson plan is presentation. Lesson plan should also state the method of teaching in the class. It should be clearly stated how the teacher will present the lesson in the class. For example, the pupil teacher can use any method like lecture method, discussion method, source method, question answer method or any other method. After completing the sixth step, that is presentation, seventh step of lesson plan is subject matter. The lesson plan should also contain a clear description of the subject matter or content of the topic which is to be taught in the class. If possible, summary of all the content of lesson should be included in the lesson plan. Here is the example of subject matter. We can divide subject matter into 4 columns. First column is related with subject matter, second column is related with pupil teacher activities, third is pupil activities, fourth one is related with blackboard or teaching aid. In first column, the pupil teacher can write the whole topic like contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion. In second column, pupil teacher activities, the PT will describe the contribution of second Guru Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji, and parallel to that, pupil activities can be the student will listen to the teachers. They will write the topic contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion in their notebooks. Parallel to that, blackboard or teaching aid, the topic contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji in Sikh religion, the PT will write the topic at the top of the blackboard. After completing the whole lesson, whole topic, like second step we can use improvement of Gurmukhi script. In second column, pupil teacher activity, pupil teacher will tell that Guruji's contribution to Gurmukhi script. Pupil activity will be, pupil will listen carefully to the teacher and will try to understand. And parallel to that, in Blackboard or in teaching aid column, we can paste a picture of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji. In this way, the PT will teach the whole topic, whole lesson related to contribution of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji. After completing the topic, after completing the lesson, the next step is, eighth step is recapitulation. Lesson plan should contain the description of questions and activities which will be used for final recapitulation of the lesson. It can be in the form of question answers or fill in the blanks or matching the question answer or in any other form. Here I am taking the example of question answers. Like first question can be, what did Guruji do to provide physical training to the Sikhs? Second can be, what role played in the completion of Janam Sakhi? Third can be, when did Guruji left for heavenly abode? After completing the 8th step recapitulation, the PT will continue with 9th step and the last step of our lesson plan, that is homework. Lesson plan should clearly indicate what homework would be given to the students after the classroom teaching. We can give some questions also, like write a short note on hymns of Shri Guru Angad Dev Ji. Second can be, what do you know about the Sangat system? Third one, what do you know about the foundation of Govindwal Sahib? After completing the each and every step of lesson plan, here is the picture, or you can say the full-fledged lesson plan is like this. I will explain all the steps again with example of this lesson plan. Like first of all, beginning of the lesson plan or top of the lesson plan is pupil teacher's roll number, like 5 roll number, class 8th class, time 30 to 35 minutes, date like 2 days date, we can take 2 days date, subject social studies, and topic या subtopic are national symbols. After that, this is the first step. The next step is your journal aids. It can be like chalkboard, class, duster, your pointer, etc. After that, specific aids. Specific aids can be model, chart, flashcard, or any other object related to the topic. Like our topic is our national symbols, so we can use any chart, any model related to national symbols. After that, journal objectives, which I have told you earlier. After completing the journal objectives, the next step is specific objectives. Specific objective is always related to the topic. Previous knowledge testing. Previous knowledge testing, 3 questions are related to our national symbols. After that, announcement of the topic. The PT will announce the topic. Today we will study, today we will discuss about national symbols in class. After completing the after completing the announcement of the topic, the PT will explain the method of teaching. Like in this lesson plan, the teacher can teach with the help of lecture method. After that, presentation. Here is the example of presentation. The first one is content, the second one is pupil teacher activity, the third one is pupil activity, fourth one is blackboard. On the blackboard, the PT always write on the top of the blackboard the main heading or main topic of the of today's teaching. After that, the PT will explain whole topic content, pupil teacher activity, pupil activity, and blackboard writing and teaching aid parallel. It can be teaching aid or it can be blackboard also. After completing the lesson, last step is recapitulation. Recapitulation, here is example of recapitulation. Like our national flag is dash in shape. It can be in the form of fill in the blanks, or it can be in the form of matching, it can be in the form of question answers also. After completing the recapitulation, the PT will give the students homework. Students, tomorrow you will prepare a question, you will prepare a topic on national symbols. So this is the whole lesson plan or steps of lesson plan. Thank you so much.